with Builderall. James had an ambassador account, paying the fee, but in December a promise was made by them. So it seemed to be, if you stop paying, you'll still be an affiliate. An empty promise it turned out to be. Reduced commissions, but a deal nonetheless from Builderall, you see. But when April came around, Builderall's words it turned. All his customers were gone, commissions unearned. The promise was broken, the rules had changed. Builderall's deceitful game, a bit of truth for James, his loyalty estranged. To Builderall's support, he reached out, screenshots in hand. But their replies were nonsense, none could understand. Browser issues and emails, they just couldn't see the real problem at hand. His plea for clarity, Builderall's incompetence on display. Finally Builderall admitted the terms were clear. Inactive accounts, no commissions, they made it appear. James asked to withdraw his remaining 86, but the minimum was 100, a rule they couldn't fix. Builderall's inflexibility, a lack of empathy. 6 years with Builderall, a loyal customer, but now he wished to leave. His patience grew bitter. Pay me my last commissions, let me go in peace. A reasonable request, but Builderall wouldn't cease. But the rules were rigid, his pleas would not cease. Builderall's pay me rules customer, but now he wished to leave. His patience grew bitter. Pay me my last commissions, let me go in peace. A reasonable request, but Builderall. But the rules were rigid, his pleas would not cease. Bill rules had changed. The rules had changed a bit, the rules had changed. A bit of truth for James, his loyalty estranged. The promise was broken, the deal went wrong's unethical stance. One can't deny a song of frustration, a customer's cry. No exceptions, they said. The minimum would stay. Stubbornness, the price to pay. Says $86 forever stray. A song of a broken promise, a deal gone wrong.